I returned to Samoa, I love just taking time out to enjoy just the beauty and the wonder of the, I suppose, archipelago. It's an amazing group of islands. For me, it's obviously coming home to a degree, my mother's family, my village, and just experiencing all that means. It's authentic, it's very raw, it's real. For me and my wife and kids, we just love going to the beaches. There's just so many wonderful places to go and enjoy. I tell people the best thing about Samoa is the people. Speaks of love and hospitality and respect, and the Samoa is a real strength and a real fundamental part of what makes it so unique. It's so special. I don't think there's a place like it in the world. In terms of the environment, it's spectacular. From the blue turquoise ocean to the white sands to the waterfalls to the high mountain peaks, and just summed up with a beautiful climate, beautiful people. Taumeasina Island Resort is just amazing. So close to town, but yet you feel so far away from civilization. Even though it is an island, you don't have to catch a boat. It's got a causeway that's probably only 30 meters that connects the mainland to the island, and then you have the beautiful sort of panorama of the mountains that overlook Upolu, and that's sort of a wonderful backdrop to the South Pacific Ocean about 20 steps from your amazing accommodation. Resort living, accommodation, restaurants, bars, you've got everything, gymnasium, and it's right there. But at the same time, the buffet and particularly the island food, it's good. The Fia experience and the whole cultural, I suppose, performances that complement that. Conferences work really well. They're bigger events, weddings, receptions. They are so well catered for. Taumeasina is where my actual family are from, so I've got that fantastic connection, and it's quite powerful. So it is a very special part of the world, and it's just so unique from any other Pacific island.